Good day, learners. This is Easy Engineering. For today's topic, we're going to talk about the life cycle of a butterfly. Go to a garden or a field of wild flowers on a summer day, and you will see colorful winged creatures flying from flower to flower. Now, what are they? Some of them could be bees, but the more beautiful ones are the butterflies, of course. Now, let's wear the shoes of a butterfly for a moment. How do they live their life? Let's dive in and find out. Depending on the type of butterfly, the life cycle of a butterfly may take anywhere from 1 month to a whole year. But since butterflies are insects, then they would start from the egg. So the first stage is the egg. Butterflies usually have a very small round, oval, or cylindrical egg. Now, if you look close enough in the egg, you can actually see the tiny caterpillar growing inside of it. The egg shape depends on what type of butterfly it is. Some butterfly eggs may be round, some are oval, and some may be ribbed, and etc. These eggs are commonly laid on the leaves of plants, since it's what they will eat to grow up. If you want to see some, just flip some leaves off some trees. Careful though, there might be spiders hiding. The second stage is the larva or the caterpillar. When the butterfly egg finally hatches, small butterflies don't just emerge from the egg that easily. There is a butterfly larva that hatches from the egg first. These butterfly larvae are actually what we call caterpillars. They're like squeezy worms that look like piled marshmallows. Now for a quick trivia, did you know that some caterpillars can carry venom in them? An example is the saddleback caterpillar. This moth-in-the-making caterpillar has a pair of fleshy horns and is covered with venom-secreting hairs all over its body that can cause stinging, swelling, and a nasty rash when touched, so be careful of them. Caterpillars do not stay in this stage for very long, and mostly, in this stage, all they do is eat. They will eat the leaf they were born into until they are full or go to rest. It is important that they are laid in leaves because caterpillars can't find leaves on their own. Each caterpillar type likes only certain types of leaves. When they start eating, they just start growing and expanding. Their skin or exoskeleton does not stretch. They just grow by molting or shedding their old skin several times. The third stage is the pupa or the chrysalis. When the caterpillar is done growing, they hang themselves to a tree branch and form into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis. If you look outside of the pupa, it may just show that the caterpillar is just resting. But if you look carefully from the inside of the pupa, the caterpillar is actually changing into something. Within the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body is undergoing a beautiful transformation called the metamorphosis. Now as the metamorphosis is finished, tissue, limbs, and organs of a caterpillar have now been changed to butterfly's organs, like its wings and tail. It's just waiting to emerge at this stage. The fourth stage is the adult butterfly. Finally, when the caterpillar has done all of its changing inside the pupa, an adult butterfly will slowly emerge from its cocoon or pupa. First, it goes out from the pupa with all its parts wet and soft. This is because the butterfly had to fit all its new parts inside of the pupa, and that includes both of the wings. It then rests for a while, and it will begin pumping blood into the wings to make them stiff and straight so they may start working and flapping. Then the butterfly can now fly. But it will practice flying first within a 3 or 4 hour period. After that, the butterfly is now good at flying and will search for a mate in order to reproduce. Like all other insects, butterflies reproduce by laying eggs, and this starts another life cycle of a butterfly. So learners, we know butterflies give beauty and color to the environment, and they also help with pollination. So let's look at them and care for them. That is all for now. I hope you learned something today. Once again, this is Easy Engineering. Have a nice day.